Hey there, future nurse. My name is Dr. Jamie Adam. I'm a nurse practitioner, professor, wife, and busy mother of 3. I know you feel like you're drowning and you're not sure where to begin or what comes after that. So I'm here to help. I'm here to give you a plan of action that will take you step by step through a system. I will teach you the life-changing strategies that have helped over 5,000 of my students become nurses. These strategies are so effective, they're guaranteed to change your life, even in an online nursing program. I'm going to show you exactly how to study, how to maximize your brain space, how to master assigned readings, how to narrow it down from 100 pages to just a few pages. I'm going to help you master lecture notes, some stories of students that went from failures to A's. Whether you're getting A's or B's or skimming the line, I'm going to show you how to get to that next A. I know you've heard of the topic self-care, but are you doing it? I'm going to show you how to take care of your body, your mind, your emotions, and how to take care of your soul. You're going to feel like a complete person all through nursing school with this system. We need nurses now, and I'm going to help you get there. I'm looking forward to working with you.